Hello everybody. So in today's video we will see how to download Python. So first of all you can write here Python download. I'll also share the link in the description. You can go to the first link. You will see the latest version here. You can just simply click here and you will download. I'll provide the link of this website in the description. Then open the file. Just go to install it. So I'll recommend to add Python 3.9 to path. You can also add it manually afterwards. You can choose the customer installation also, where you can choose the path where you want to install. So then you can select the desired folder and press install. So it says setup was successful. So you can simply close it. Now to open it, you can simply type IDLE. So this is the interactive mode. We'll check it once it's working. Okay. You can also open new file and open the script mode. We can run it. Okay, it's working. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do share it with your friends and hit the like button.